Sir, sorry sir you're a weak leader. You know why? You know better as chief of police na merong ginawang masama. Right there and then, meron ng ginawang krimen. And yet, di mo kaya yung bata mo at sabihin mo tong tao ngayon na magpal na lang kaso. You're very weak. Ba't ka naging chief of police?
Eh bakit ako naging weak? Eh, yun naman ang tama ah.
No, sir. You know why? Because if I were in your situation, I could have said to the guy, hey, halika rito bata, mali yung ginawa mo. Tayo dapat ang nagsaset ng maganda example dito dahil tayo ang takbuhan ng mga taong inaapi.
Madali lang sabihin yan, pero meron tayong proseso.
No, sir. If you want to, look at me. Subukan mo ako. Tingnan natin, makukuha ko tong bata. Ikaw hindi mo kayang kunin. Chief of police ka, ako hindi. Civilian ako pero kaya
Ayun,
ko
you
kunin.
can do it. You do it.
Then in that case, you're not supposed to be a chief of police. I'm very sorry, sir. You don't deserve to be called a chief of police for me.
Meron po tayong proseso.
I know the
Inassist namin
process,
yung
sir.
tao.
But sir, you can
Pwede ko bang i-drug yung tao ko para personal nilang buhay yan?
Kung
Meron tayong proseso, Mr. Tulfo.
a crime was committed, then you are responsible
Unless
to your man.
proven, wala pang may file na kaso.
Sir, it doesn't matter. Sir, I'll give you an example. Halimbawa, ako po, yung tao ko, kasamahan ko sa RTIA, may
Ito
ginawang,
siguro.
may
Pero
ginawang
kami,
kalokohan.
naka-observe kami ng proseso.
Well, sir, cut the proseso. That's the reason some people come to me because I
No,
deliver
assumption
result.
mo yan. Assumption mo yan. May proseso tayo, may batas tayo sinusunod.
Assumption. I'm not assuming here. Ako po, marami ako napatunayan. Ikaw, anong napatunayan mo sa Las Piñas? Have you done anything in your life? Come on. Ako, I've done so many things. Kasi kaya ko mag-deliver.
Tumawag
Ikaw, what have
kayo,
you delivered?
magtatanong lang kayo
Tao
kung
mo, hindi
ano
mo
yung
kaya?
proseso.
Yun lang,
Anong
identity na
karapatan
ngayon
mong sabihan mo akong weak leader ako?
Mali yung tao mo, sir. Hindi ikaw
Hindi,
mali dito
mali
ang tao
ka.
mo. Pero however, sir, parang kinukonsinti
Naglilit
mo.
ka. Masyado kang manliit ng tao.
Sir,
Meron
sir, eh.
tayong korte, Mr. Tulfo.